Hello, my name is Michael Gary, editor-at-large for Atmosphere. We're here at the Atmo America 2025 conference in Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm very pleased to have with me today Michael Gersmeyer, who's the Senior Product Manager Industrial for Copeland. Copeland being a very important player in the natural refrigerants marketplace. So, Michael, I have a couple questions for you. Copeland is very connected to the natural refrigerant space. What can you tell us about market developments for natural refrigerants and adoption in the U.S.? How is it going? And considering some of the headwinds that we're seeing lately, what do you expect in 2025 and going forward?
Yeah. So as we all know, regulations are driving a lot of developments in low GWP refrigerants. Has been going on for a number of years. I haven't seen a lot of changes in that, meaning pullback. I see maybe some acceleration, certainly in commercial market, but also in the industrial market. You also have ESG goals. A lot of our customers are committed to those ESG goals. They continue to be committed. And I think in the industrial space, we're starting to see more commitment to ESG goals.
Right. Any particular natural refrigerant that you're seeing uptake, like CO2 in both industrial and commercial?
Yeah, of course, CO2 is top of mind when we talk about where the regulation's going, what technologies need to be employed. CO2 is somewhat of a future-proof refrigerant. The technologies are developing around that space. That's very interesting. Ammonia will continue to be very important in the industrial space, and we still continue to sell ammonia compressors at Vilter. Propane is interesting. It's developing, certainly in smaller footprints, smaller units. A little bit of talk about it in industrial. Those are the main players. Yeah.
Okay, speaking of ammonia, I understand you have a new VQ95 ammonia heat pump.
We do.
Yeah, what can we say about that?
Yeah. So it's an ammonia heat pump, as you mentioned. It's based on our single screw compression technology. This provides a very reliable product. The single screw is a little bit unique. Lower loads on the bearings provides a longer life. This is a 1 to 5 megawatt system. So we have a number of different configurations. Provides a lot of flexibility for the customer. They could buy a 1 megawatt, maybe a 5 megawatt system, and then they can add on in a modular fashion to up to 50 kilowatts. So this is a great system for flexibility for the customer. It also is a very efficient system. You don't need to have any type of energy required for superheat, so that makes it more efficient. It's a great thing when we talk about district heat or maybe an industrial process type of heat pump.
Okay, very exciting. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for listening.